intended for Jarvis. He get there all the way, and Martinook with a hit, but it'll be Fantilli into the Kane zone, pass sent across the score! Guess who for Columbus? Kirill Marchenko, who is quickly becoming a Canes killer, and it's 2-0 Blue Jackets.
On a cross check, but it's a battle in front, and then you see the sauce from Fantilli. 3 last night, but his hands have got to feel the best that they've ever felt so far in the NHL, and he gets into the guy that's been a Canes